Hi everyone, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we are creating some delicious cookies baked in the Polito Giotto pizza oven. I'm starting off with some butter at room temperature. I'm going to beat it with my paddle attachment for a couple of minutes until it's nice and pale and creamy, and then gradually add in the sugar a little bit at a time. Once the sugar is completely incorporated, add in your eggs, also one at a time, making sure that each one incorporates before you add in any others. Add in your vanilla extract, and while that's combining, I'm going to go ahead and mix my cinnamon, salt, baking powder, and flour together. Give it a good mix, and then slowly incorporate all the ingredients in your stand mix until you get this sort of crumb texture. Pop it onto your clean and floured bench surface, press it all together. Don't knead it per se because you don't want to activate the gluten. You just want to make sure that it's all homogeneous, if that's the word for it, and it's just all combined and beautiful. This is where a little bit of kneading comes in. You want to add gel food color, knead it through, and then allow your dough to rest in the fridge for about an hour. Let it sit out at room temp for 10 minutes, and then you can start shaping it. I've got my fondant smoother to help me create these beautiful long logs. I'm going to place them one next to each other, make sure you press them together so they stick, and then roll them up to create this kind of candy swirl. From here, we can start dividing the logs into the individual cookie portions. So I'm going to fold that in half just to make sure everything is symmetrical. Line them all up and continue to cut them down until you are happy with the size of your cookie. Roll them in some flour, and then again, just using my fondant smoother, I'm going to press down firmly and evenly to get a decent thickness of about 1/2 centimeter. Do this for all of your cookies, and then you can bake them shaped just as they are, or if you want to make them a little bit neater, you can take either a cookie cutter, or I'm just using here my bench scraper to trim and sharpen off the edges. Place them onto a baking sheet lined with baking paper, and I've just got all of my offcuts here that I'm combining to create these cool spotted designs. And then into your preheated 220 degrees Celsius pizza oven. Allow it to sit there for about 6 minutes, rotate it halfway through, bake for another 4 to 6 minutes, and it's done. You could also bake these in a preheated 180 degree oven for 12 minutes, rotating halfway. And there you have these beautiful, delicious candy swirled cookies. If you'd like to check out the Polito Giotto, I'll leave a link in the description box below. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you again in the next one.